Hello, I will be doing a run through of the weather forecast application made using CSS, HTML, and Angular, and also the OpenWeather API. So you can see here, we got the Angular logo, and we're running the application using ngServe as we don't have a backend or a server, so we're just using this for now. And we're going to be taking these variable names, placing them through our OpenWeather API endpoint, and then we get these information back. So we're going to get the information for each city back in terms of Fahrenheit and their humidity as well. So upon hovering on each link, it will turn light gray, and as you can see, whenever we click it, the information will change too and be pulled from the API, and as well as a picture change or a content change as well. And you can see that it can be done for each city and will change dynamically as the weather data in OpenWeather API is changed as well.